Ever wanted to create your own chatbot without coding? Think it's too difficult or technical? Well, think again. Welcome to the world of ChatBot, a platform that makes it easier than ever to design, create, and deploy your very own chatbots. With a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface and simplistic conversation scenario design, you don't need any programming skills to get started. So if you've ever dreamed of having your own chatbot but didn't know where to start, ChatBot could be your answer. Now let's dive deeper into what makes ChatBot stand out. Imagine a platform that allows you to create chatbots that are not just functional but also engaging, almost human-like. This is the magic of ChatBot. It's all about seamless integrations, entity usage, conversational scenarios, and advanced technologies like natural language processing and machine learning. ChatBot seamlessly integrates with platforms like Facebook Messenger, expanding your reach and making it easier for customers to interact with your brand. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. This platform allows you to use entity usage to understand and categorize user inputs, helping your bot respond more accurately and efficiently. Then there are the conversational scenarios. With ChatBot, you can design these scenarios using a simple drag-and-drop interface. These scenarios guide your bot's interactions, making them more engaging and meaningful. But what really sets ChatBot apart is its use of advanced technologies. It leverages natural language processing, enabling your bot to understand and interpret human language, not just commands. And then there's machine learning. This technology allows your bot to learn from past interactions, constantly improving its performance and becoming more human-like with each conversation. These features don't just contribute to the creation of powerful bots. They empower you to create bots that are engaging, bots that can hold conversations, bots that can understand and learn from human language. With ChatBot, your bot can be as smart and engaging as you make it. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech wizard to do it. You might be wondering, what can I actually do with a chatbot? The answer is quite a lot. Imagine having a virtual assistant working around the clock, answering customer queries, booking appointments, or even selling products. That's the magic of chatbots. They can transform your customer service, making it faster, more efficient, and available 24/7. But the benefits don't stop there. Chatbots are also masters of lead generation, engaging potential clients, collecting contact information, and even qualifying leads. They can save your team countless hours by automating these time-consuming tasks. And let's not forget data collection. Chatbots can gather valuable customer insights, helping you understand your audience better and tailor your offerings accordingly. Now imagine having all these capabilities without needing any coding skills. That's where ChatBot steps in. It empowers you with the tools to design, create, and deploy powerful chatbots, enhancing your business operations and customer engagement. With ChatBot, you can revolutionize how you interact with your customers, making your business more efficient and customer-friendly. Convinced yet? There's more. You can try all these amazing features and more for free. That's right, ChatBot is offering a free 14-day trial. This is your ticket to experience the cutting-edge world of conversational bots without spending a dime. During the trial period, you can take advantage of quick academy lessons. These educational nuggets are designed to help you get the most out of your chatbot experience. You'll learn how to design conversation scenarios, deploy your chatbot on multiple platforms, and leverage advanced features like entity usage and natural language processing. But that's not all. ChatBot also offers efficient publishing options. Whether you're a small business owner or a corporate executive, you'll appreciate the ease and speed of deploying your bots. Don't miss this opportunity. Click the link in the description and start your free trial today. Experience the future of communication with ChatBot.